Hey everybody, today another class of MyBrickSchool, and today we're going to make the truck of Deadpool. We start with the bottom frame, a 2x12 plate, and we need a 10x2 plate, a 6x2 plate, and a 2x1 plate. And actually the color doesn't really matter because you don't see it. Let's also start with the wheels. We connect them here. These are the back wheels. They're connected completely. We put the 6x2 in between and connect the front wheels just like this. Then we add the 2x1 here to fill it up, and we place the 10x2 on top of here, so you see it doesn't completely cover. Then we place a inverted slope part here, and the wheel covers. 4 of them. I choose black and red. So there it is. Then we have to place some more plates there. I have 2 6x2s, a 4x4 and a 4x2. Also here it doesn't matter, as long as you make this part, which is 6x4 and two fat plates fat, and place it here in the middle. Then we start with the front. Now colors do matter. For these inverted slope parts it does matter, and for the 6x1 it does matter. For this part it doesn't matter. I do happen to have the red one, so let's use that one. We place it on here. Then a 6x6. The cabin will be placed on it. Place like this. And now it is time to place the secret laser guns. I need 2 pieces of this. If you don't have these 2x1s, you can also use a 1x1. It's the same effect. You just have to fill up. You just have to fill up that hole that appears there. Then we have a 4x1 and a 6x4. And then we have covered the base of the car. Now we have the back. I make part like these. You can make whatever you like, every color. Connect them there. And of course then we have the rotating plate. Put it here. Now let's start with the cabin. I need these parts for that. The steering wheel immediately on the front. Seat behind it. I need a 3x1 for the door. Here another one. So the doors are a little bit elevated. And that already starts to look like a cabin. Then the second part of the cabin is placed behind there. 2x2 or 2x1 block, another 2x1 block, and a 4x1. It's just building it up, so if you have different, it doesn't really matter. Then I have the 1x1 and the 6x1, put it on there, and then another 2x1, 2x1, and then I found these blocks. I just put them there. Maybe you can put something nice there, like a weapon or whatever. Then on top of that, to make it strong, a 6x1, 2 other clamps. Again, you can click in some school stuff, and then finish it off with a 2x1 in black for the contrast. And you can add the window there. I found a blackened window. then a 6x1 smooth, and the top. If you have them, you can place the horns here. That looks really nice. If you don't have them, put something else there. Then we put a 6x1 here. And this special part that later will be used to attach the big gun. You fill that up with two 1x1s. Some lights, be creative there, it doesn't really matter. And some slope parts. I think that looks nice. Then we have the front bumper. For that I will use a 6x4 and 2 times a 2x4. If you don't have them, of course you can also use 2 times the 6x2 and connect them like this, as long as you get this structure. And then it's really decorating, up to your own taste there. I do it like this. Black lights, red lights, and then I have 8 grill elements. If you don't have so many, I fill it up with another part, maybe a smooth 2x4 or some more lights, whatever you have lying around. And then we connect this on the front, and now it really starts to look like a truck. Now let's make this more beautiful. I just have some parts, I'll show you. These are the exhaust pipes. Shape doesn't really matter. Color doesn't matter. But it's really nice to have an exhaust pipe. It gives a more realistic look to your truck. You have these. Of course, this is super realistic, but I can imagine not everybody has these type of things. So we just built them off standard bricks. And then we place a smooth red 2x1 here in between. Or not. So. Okay, then we fill up the top with smooth reds. So luckily I got the fire station, so I have a lot of these 2x4. If you don't have it, it doesn't really matter. I just think it looks good. And if you have these smooth plates around this, then the trailer will stick better. Now for the secret guns, I use a smooth 2x4. This little weird part, and then another 1x1. That 1x1 doesn't really have a function visually, but it is used if you, okay, well, let me show that later. Then I have these. I think they're used for storages, and I put something on top so it looks like a laser gun. Pretty awesome. Just construct that and then add that here. And see, it collapses like it is a fuel tank. Now I can show you, this little part here is used as a kiss block, so it's locked. Can't go any further. That's pretty awesome, right? Then the second one, place it here and lock it. Now for the gun, I have quite some parts for it. Just look around what you have lying around. Make something cool. Also this does not really matter. So I got these from a Star Wars set, but I think they're a little bit too small, so I'll put something to make them longer. I'll put the black nozzle on it, like this. Then we have the hinge, because it needs to go quite far. Just play around with what you have, but it's really nice. Two big guns. That was it. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more, and see you next time. Bye.